This is Inventor Lesson 7 of Chapter 3. Begin by opening a file called Control Valve. Once it's open, you're going to find a part like this. Basically what we're doing is we're creating an extrusion and a mirroring of the image. So let's start by finding the Z plane. We're going to turn this visible. Once that's visible, you're going to then go to mirror, and you're going to click both parts of the part, and then you're going to click mirror plane. Once that's created, you're going to notice the entire thing's there. You can right click the plane now and turn off visibility. Once that's off, you're going to then go up to the XZ plane. After you go to plane, Z plane, now you're going to click the top of the part. Whoops. Let's try that again. Plane. Now you're going to notice that this plane is now on top of the part, not through the middle. And this is good because we're going to then do an offset plane, and we're going to offset this plane by 10 millimeters. Once that plane's offset, you can turn off the visibility of this one, and then you're going to create a sketch on top of here. Once you have that, you're going to then go to project geometry. I'm going to put some project geometries in here, make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Once you have those in, you're going to then go to the circle. In the middle, you're going to then draw an 8mm circle, and then an 8mm circle. Now you're going to draw a 50mm line, and another 50mm line. If you don't get them to be exactly 50mm for whatever reason, you can go up to dimension, and then you can dimension them to be 50mm for whatever reason, but as you can see, these are the correct dimensions. Anyway, after you got those in, you can then go to vertical. Let's try not to do that. You can go to vertical. Pretty sure this is vertical. If you're not sure what they are, you can just go look on them. And basically these are here to help us ensure that everything is going to stay where we put it. So you have to click points. As you saw before, I clicked the entire line in. It's actually vertical, and that's not what we want. So you can do the same with horizontal. Let's go. Once those are in, this object is not going to move. It's going to stay exactly where it is in a perfect alignment in the middle. Once you're done with that, you go to extrusion. You're going to click the part you just made. All parts of the part. You're going to go to, and now you're going to go the opposite direction. Oh wait. Let's go this way. Once you're done with that, next, and then when we're done, click OK. Now you're going to have a part like this. Now you can turn off the visibility, and you can export it, just don't save. And that's